Okay, here we're taking a look at our lead screw. Our lead screw is turning rotary motion to linear because it moves in a straight line. It's not reciprocating because it doesn't come down and back unless you reverse the direction that you're turning it, so that makes it linear and not reciprocating. A couple things with this one I want to point out. One is making sure you're using the lead screw parts. The lead screw parts should be used, not the worm and wheel. Notice the difference there. So that one we do not use. We also have this, I call this the carriage, but on it you have your bolt that turns in there, and on the other side we do not use a nut to hold it on. It actually self-taps in. Okay, so it sits in there and it's flush, so that allows it to actually slide on here. So that's a big part of using that correctly, that you would just drop a screw down in and you can tighten it and loosen it like that. The other part you want to know about is with this shaft on here, these have a little protrusion, I guess you'd call it. You'd take that piece and the protrusion over there, and those slide together. I recommend about 4 of those together, and then you put a collar on each end to keep them from sliding out of place, and that's what helps keep this in place to allow the kids to build it.